Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to my channel again. I'm so sorry if haven't been doing my video because of what's been happening here around Australia. But anyway, answer prayer because now it's raining. It's good, so the fire will be stopped soon, and hopefully we can get some more rain this week. Because believe it, the fire in here in Australia is very very bad. A lot of people lost their home, pets, pet stock, businesses. um, we already lost a lot of wildlife animals, and they've been rescuing animals as much as they could. I would like to thank for all the volunteers who fought the fires, for the firefighters. I would like to thank you for all your help, and support, for all the people um, that involved into the fire. Um, Thank you for the US firefighters and Canadian firefighters. Thank you so much for volunteering to fight the fire here in Australia. Thank you for all the Australian community, all the people who help. Thank you so much for all the help, the donations, for all over the world, for the athletes, Australian athletes, for the American singers, celebrity who donated. Thank you so much for every single money that you donated it, and we really appreciate that, to help a lot of people in needs, and especially who lost their home, all the damage that it's been done by the bushfire. Thank you so much for all the police. Thank you so much for your help, police, ambulance, everyone who donated the trucks, their cars, just to help people in needs. Thank you so much for all the stores, grocery stores especially. Thank you so much, the one that you donated, the food that you donated, drinks and things. Thank you so much. And right now I'm happy because it's raining. Answer prayer. um yeah, that's what we need, and hopefully it will be rainy for more, to stop this fire that's going on and wouldn't spread more, because we lost a lot, heaps already, and we don't want to get damage anything else again. And I'm so sorry about the people who lost their house. I'm so sorry for your loss, who died in the fire. I'm so sorry, um, about the pets that died, animals from the farm who died. I'm so sorry for your loss, and especially for the wildlife animals. I'm so sorry they didn't make it. They trying to save themselves as well from the fire, and some of them, a lot of them didn't make it. So yeah, and it's still good because a lot of people in good heart help a lot of people in needs. Thank you so much. And hopefully we're still hoping that more rain to come. And yeah, it's been panicking for a couple of days because the smoke came here in Albury, Australia, and some of my friends, especially I and my kids, been preparing for our important things. So if there's something happen, we're ready to go. But thank goodness it didn't happen. It's just the smoke because the climate change, because the wind blew the smoke in here in the air. Yeah. But anyway, it's a good thing now, like I said, if still life, if there's still life, there's still hope. And don't lose faith, don't lose hope. Love each other, help each other, and communicate each other. Thank you so much, and God bless us. Bye.